Yeah.
Let's cast Meteor Magic. Command A and B trigger the meteor. C and D add visual effects. E creates a massive explosion. Command A and this immediately deletes the thrown experience bottle, triggering the next command. Command B. This will only run and summon an armor stand above a mob when Command A successfully deletes an experience bottle. Command C. This makes the armor stands invisible. Command D. This makes a flame-like particle appear at the invisible armor stand's location. Command E. This causes the armor stand, which falls 20 blocks, to trigger an explosion as soon as it hits the ground. Now, just toss the bottle O and chant.